Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video, we will be discussing about the market analysis for next week, and also we will discuss about some stocks, particularly in the large cap space, which are looking good for fresh accumulation or buying for investment of a positional trade perspective. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. So let's start with Nifty analysis first, and I have already drawn the support line, and also there is a 200 days EMA line for Nifty. As of now, जो Nifty है, it is trading about 200 days EMA, and also there is the blue line is support. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें, so Nifty had took support multiple times at this support line. यहाँ पे जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे भी again it took support. Then this was a good support region. Again, here it took support, and now also it had took support at this level. इनफैक्ट जो मंडे का जो लो था इट वाज नियर 16,800 एंड दैट वाज पर्टिकुलरली आवर डिमांड जोन एज वेल एंड वहां से निफ्टी हैड ऑलमोस्ट बाउंस बाय अराउंड 700 पॉइंट्स इन जस्ट 1 week. So we are regularly sharing market analysis videos, or sometimes like in the last week I had shared a detailed thread on what the analysis of the Nifty, Bank Nifty and other stocks as well. So you can follow us there. So right now, if you see, the major trend in market is negative, and the reason for this is I will just remove all the lines right now, and so हम यहाँ पे अगर देखें, so Nifty is currently forming lower lows. यहाँ पे again it took lower lows. तो यहाँ पे swing high, again यहाँ पे low, and then again यहाँ पे high. So if we now just change the color. So यहाँ पे Nifty is forming lower lows and lower highs, which is a sign of downtrend. And also, unless Nifty crosses this level, which is this swing high level, which is this level, we can't expect starting of the uptrend in Nifty. So 17,600 is a crucial level for Nifty, and unless Nifty closes above this level, we can't say that an uptrend is starting in Nifty or in general in broader market. So one has to stay a little cautious right now. But again, as said, buy when there is blood around or when there is panic around. So look for the opportunities to buy stocks, particularly for your portfolio and for long-term investment purpose, because market is giving a good opportunity as well. And some of the stocks are down by around 20-30%, which you can definitely look for. Secondly, if we see again the trend line, the crucial support level is this trend line again, and as of now the level is around 16,900. If Nifty closes below the 16,900 level, then we can expect a good downside as well, which can be near this 200 days EMA, which is currently at 16,180. So if this trend line breaks, then we can expect a decent down move in market. But as long as Nifty is staying above this, then we can expect some consolidation at this region. And if Nifty closes about 17,600, then we can say that the trend can start in market. Coming to the global cues that about the Omicron variant and all, I would say the ground reality in India is different than what media or some other agencies are saying. So I don't think that is a real matter of concern here. And normally a correction of around 10%, 10 to 15% is normal in any bull run, because that makes the trend stronger. So just like use the opportunity instead of panicking or instead of spreading fear or anything. Look, this is an opportunity as well. So now we will start with Bank Nifty analysis. So in Bank Nifty, हमने भी we have done the same analysis जो 200 days EMA है and जो trend line हमने draw किया already. So this trend line was the resistance here, and यहाँ पे it is now acting as a support. यहाँ पे resistance था, then again यहाँ पे वापस resistance था. And now, as we see, there is a good, it had took support near this resistance line. जो resistance line था, भी support बन गया. And second, जो 200 days का EMA, it is also crucial support for this Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty closes below this two level, which is the trend line support and the 200 days EMA, and if I say the number will be around 35,350. If Bank Nifty closes below 35,350, then we can see a down move in Bank Nifty as well. Otherwise, if we stay above this, then we can see good base forming at this level, and we can see uptrend in Bank Nifty. So just wait and watch in banking stocks, and if any banking stock is majority of the banking stocks are trading as support, then you can go ahead and add those stock for your investment or for your positional trade purpose. So do granular analysis instead of looking at the broader picture in this case. And majorly the banking sector is at trading at support, and जो EMA है वहाँ पे generally the stock price is mean reverting, and यहाँ पे अगर to now it is approaching 200 days EMA, so it can be a good opportunity as well for a trader to buy banking stocks in your portfolio. So this is about Bank Nifty. Now we will look at sector rotation sheet. So coming on to the sector rotation sheet, I have already shared this sheet in last week, and you can also check the sheet. And the purpose of sharing the sheet was just to make you independent, and you can do your own analysis as well instead of depending on others. So let's have a glimpse of this sector rotation sheet now. So जैसे कि all the sector यहाँ पे सारे sectors bearish है right now, and जो Nifty FMCG and Nifty Pharma is in no trade zone. Other than this, all are in short, strong setup, positional short kind of thing. So majority, all the sectors are negative in current market. Whereas अगर हम stocks देखें, so these are the stocks that are currently strong. Just to call out all the names, so the stock name is Amara Raja Batteries, Aurobindo, Bandhan Bank, Biocon, City Union Bank, Hathway Gables, Havels, Lupin, Nestle, NMDC, Petronet, Powergrid, RBL Bank, Torrent Farm, and Welspun Corp. So these are stocks that are looking strong on the basis of data. You can check the charts as well, and you can plan your trade in this stock accordingly with proper risk reward and target and stop losses. So this is about the sector rotation sheet, and let's start with the stocks. I have shortlisted some stocks that are looking good for buying for positional trade purpose. So let's start with the stocks now. The first stock is CDSL. So CDSL was in consolidation for almost around 5 months. From July उसने अपना ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल ब्रेक नहीं किया करंटली, एंड इसके बाद यहाँ पे जो ट्रेंड लाइन बनाया, जो सपोर्ट लाइन है, जो ऊपर की साइड इट इज अ सप्लाई जोन फॉर CDSL. So right now it is approaching the support supply zone, and if you see the trend, so it is forming higher lows, which is a bullish trend. And if you want to name the pattern, then it is a cup and handle pattern. This is the cup and this is handle. And just to give a brief about this pattern, so this pattern is formed in an uptrend, and it is a continuation pattern. And इसके breakout के बाद the trend in the stock continues, and जो हमारे case में the uptrend, it will again resume. So it is currently looking good to buy at current price, which is 1522. The stop loss will be 1290, 1290, and the target हमारा रहेगा it is 2150 in this case. One can add at current price, or one can wait for some dips. The breakout is expected about this level, which is 1636. But I would suggest not to wait for that level, because वहाँ पे हमारा जो risk reward है वो favorable नहीं रहेगा इतना. So just one can keep accumulating this stock on dips if it gives opportunity. And जो हमारा target है, we have calculated on the basis of range calculation. So just to show how it is done. So this was the high when in the of the cup and handle pattern, and ये जो हमारा low है. So I've just added this range about the resistance line or the supply zone. इसके बाद जो हमारा target आता है, it is 2154 on this basis. So we have rounded it off to 2150 in this case. So this is the first stock that I am tracking for next week. The second stock is Ultratech Cement. And if you see the correction in Ultratech Cement, so from the high to low, it had corrected by almost 12% from its all-time high level, and now it is trading at this support line, which is where price had bounced back multiple times. So यहाँ पे it had bounced, and again it had bounced here, and here again it is forming a good base at this level. And so the trading plan in this, one can buy at current price, which is 17,7330. The stop loss will be 7,000, and the target हमारा रहेगा, it is the all-time high level, which is 8,300 in this case. So Ultratech Cement is the second stock in the watch list, which I am tracking for next week. The next stock is L&T, Larsen and Toubro. So the L&T is again, if I show the EMA, then it is above the EMA, and it has been a good uptrend as of now. The blue line is the support zone for L&T, demand zone of support for L&T, and as of now the price is trading above this support lines. So we can expect some decent recovery in price as well, and we can expect a all-time high level as well. So one can add at current price at 1800. The stop loss will be 1700, and the target हमारा रहेगा, it is 1900 and 2000. This is a trade for short term and not for positional trade. For short term, as in for swing trade, particularly for 1 to 2 months. So one can check L&T as well for the swing trade purpose. So this is about the L&T. And the last stock for today is Dabur India. So I will just show the EMA line. So as of now, the Dabur price is trading near 200 days EMA, which is a crucial level for any stock. And other than this, it is trading near this blue support line as well. So there are confluence of multiple support at this level, and it is a good company as well in FMCG sector. So, and one can focus like to buy or accumulate at this price for their investment purpose as well. So the trading plan in the Dabur will be for short-term traders. One can buy at 581, and one can add more at lower levels as well at around 550, 560. The stop loss will be 530, and जो target रहेगा for short term it is 650 in this case. Whereas long-term investor or trader, long-term investors or positional traders can target for higher levels as well. Once we see a breakout above this 660 levels, so one can check out Dabur as well for the next week. So this is all about the market analysis video, and also we have discussed about the sector rotation and also the market and Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. And if you have learned anything from this video, then do like this video, so that because of the YouTube algorithms, it reach to many people as well. And also do like and subscribe to our channel, so that you get notified for all the videos that we upload in the future. There is you can also reach out to us on this platform or the Twitter, or you can also mail us your query if you have any, and you can join the Telegram channel as well. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.